Hey everybody, it's Deanna Gutman here, owner of Needles in the Hay, and I'm coming to you from my abode, and I just wanted to talk a bit about our Crochet Curious Crochet Along. This is meant to be a bit of a prologue, so the intention of this crochet along is to do it as sort of a introduction to crochet for knitters, but it should still be fun and useful for experienced crocheters as well. So everybody is welcome to join us, but I just wanted to say that I've come at this from the approach of somebody who is like an obsessed knitter, but who recently learned how to crochet, and just wanted to share some of the ways that I picked it up quickly as a knitter. And maybe I'm not crocheting technically perfect, but I firmly believe that whether it be crochet or knitting, whatever works for you is fine. So throw away, whatever somebody told you in the past that you weren't doing it right, or you're not good at it, or you can't do it that way, and just do it whatever way works for you. So I'll, just as a bit of inspiration from somebody who's never crocheted till like 2 months ago, I did up this panel from the Sunburst Circle bag, which is part of the Crochet Along options, and this is in the Wool and the Gang's Rah Rah Raffia. This was a lot easier than it looks, and it happened real fast because each row is a little bit different, so it's super interesting as you go. And yeah, I made that using my weird English style knitter crocheting technique, which I'm going to share with you in the how-to videos. So I just want to say I'm not like an expert crocheter. I'm a newer crocheter that's really into it, and just wants to share some of the things that I learned with my fellow knitters. And I hope that you guys will have a good time and you'll be able to try something new this spring. The raffia yarn especially is great for bags and hats and housewares, and I think crochet is really good for those kinds of projects that need a bit more structure and durability, because it is so much sturdier than knitting. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully my crochet videos aren't too cringy, and hopefully they'll help some of you fellow knitters who rarely crochet or have never crocheted before like me to get into it. So thanks a lot, guys.